doing all this high-tech editing here. Look at this. This is how I edit my videos, man. I'm editing these videos like awesomeness. Oh wait, I hear something strange outside. Hold on. Here we go. What's this? That kind of looks like snow to me. Snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing. I am now sitting in the middle of the road as it snows. It's really more like globs of water, as it is completely covering me and soaking me. But it's the best we got. It's the best we got. I can now officially say I have hidden underneath a chair on a road during a snowstorm. I bet you haven't ever done this before. Ha! I'm probably the first one. This is hurting the top of my head. Oh, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. My hands are cold. I'm going back inside.